Jaw is a simple and elegant CPU holder with a slimline appearance once installed. It takes the form of what resembles a large G-clamp with rubber-faced clamp pads top and bottom to hold the CPU. A screw mechanism inside, operated by an Allen key, allows you to extend and contract the unit to grip any size of CPU. It should be noted at the outset that Jaw is not supplied with a desk mount kit, and one of the slide rotate or unirod desk mount kits needs to be selected, and it was assembled to the top jaw prior to fitting to the CPU. So this is how we fit jaw to the CPU. The jaw is simply fitted over the CPU, and then using the screw mechanism, the whole thing is contracted until the clamp pads securely grip the computer top and bottom. It doesn't need a great amount of force since they are soft rubber clamp pads. So now the CPU is gripped in the jaw, and it should be noted that all of this assembly up to date has been taking place on the desktop or on a bench top in a convenient position. That means that the installer doesn't have to do this work crouched uncomfortably beneath the desk. We can now install the jaw to the under desk, and this is achieved by simply sliding the unit onto the under-desk track like so, and then a snap-in retainer moulding clips into the front of the track and prevents the unit sliding off the front. So in summary, Jaw is a simple, elegant CPU holder. It's very easy to install. It's almost invisible from some angles when installed, and this makes it something of a favourite with architects and interior designers.